Yeah, tonight more than 40 million Americans are less than 2 days away, believe it or not, from losing their food assistance.
And on top of this, millions of Americans who rely on Obamacare are about to see their health insurance premiums skyrocket when open enrollment begins on the same day. Now, with the Senate not returning until Monday, the government shutdown will continue at least until its 34th day, making it tied for the longest funding lapse in U.S. history, meaning that neighbors will have to support one another through this crisis. Day 30 of the government shutdown, and the clock is winding down for more than 42 million Americans set to lose crucial federal food assistance on Saturday. All but 2 states now warning SNAP assistance will halt. That includes about 58,000 households in Shelby County alone, according to recent numbers. New York's Governor Kathy Hochul declaring a state of emergency.
And I want to unleash every tool at our disposal to keep New Yorkers from going hungry.
In California, the governor has deployed the National Guard to help box up meals. This worsening food crisis is now on a collision course with the issue at the heart of this shutdown, expiring Obamacare tax credits. Starting this weekend, more than 20 million Americans will see how much their insurance costs could skyrocket.
It's as basic as food. We all need to have access, and people should not go bankrupt for having a cancer diagnosis or an accident.
All right, so we're taking a closer look at the situation here. The Center on Budget and Policy Priorities data breaks down how many of our neighbors depend on food assistance. Here's what those numbers look like. A little more than 240,000 Arkansans rely on SNAP. That's about 1 in every 13 people. Now, if you go down to Mississippi, that jumps up to about 385,000 people who rely on that benefit. That breaks down to about 1 in every 8. And here in Tennessee, a little more than 711,000 people rely on SNAP. That's about 10% of the population. Now, of that 711,000, state data shows that about 150,000 of our neighbors in Shelby County rely on SNAP benefits.